Never give up. Har hiskala mamana. She made me understand. Hagiza poyakram. I am thinking. Za soch kom. See you later. Rusto melavigu. See you again. Bia melavigu. As far as I know. Chisumra mata patada. See you tomorrow. Saba melavigu. I guessed. Ma andaza lagawli wa. See you day after tomorrow. Sabana balaurazba melavigu. Is it yours? Ayada stade. This is out of my control. Da zama da qabuna bahar de. It's not mine. Da zama nade. The house is on fire. Pakur vor lagedale. No one saw it. Da hicha wanalido. God's grace is always with you. The Khuday fazal talta sara de. No one knows. Hichata pata nishta. Don't copy others. The nuru halqo naqal makawa. What's up? Sahi sab de. Keep the fire on. Vor lage dale preda. What is it? The city. We should give up bad habits. Mungla kharab adatuna prehauda pakardi. What happened? Sachal washo. Chew the food well. Khwarak kha maidaka. Nothing happened. Hichal nade shave. Blow your nose. Pozadi pakaka. Absolutely not. Bilkul na. Button up the coat. The coat button band ka. I saw him somewhere. Ma haga chartali dale de. Hold this mobile with both hands. Da mobile padwado lasuno wanisa. What's your hobby? Sta mashghala sada. All the while I was waiting for him. Ma tol auraz da haga intizar kao. What's your favorite color? Sta da khwahi rang kum yaw de. He is fulfilling his promise. Haga khpal lawas pura kai. What is your favorite food? Sta da khwahi khwarak kum yaw de. I will come after a while. Zaba laksat pas rasham. How is the weather today? Nan mosam sang de. He came to me as usual. Khagatal da para ma khwala rage. Can you cook? Ayat pahle kawale shi. She is very talkative. Khaga dera khabarlo sada. She talks a lot. Khaga deri khabari kai. What did you do last night? Terashpa ta sachal wako. You are my namesake. Ta zama khamnam ye. How are you feeling? Sang mehsusai. I am a person of words. Z the jabi klakyam. Or I keep my words. Z the jabi klakyam. Are you hungry? Ayat wage. I am a spendthrift. Z fazul harchiam. Do you like me? Ayazadi khwakhyam. I am in trouble. زه په تکلیف کې یم. Are you tight? ستړی یې کو. I have financial problem these days. نن سبا می مالی حالات خراب دي. Do you like me or not? ستا زه خوښ یم که نه. He is blind of one eye. هغه په یو سترګه ړوند دی. How do you get to work? ته کار لا څنګه راغلی یې. This is a good excuse. دا یو ښه بهانه ده. How long does it take? په دې څومره وخت لګي. He was idle all the time. هغه ټول وخت وزګار و. Will you go with me? آیا ته به ما سره لاړ شې. My younger brother has his own ways. زما وړوکی ورور د خپلې مرضۍ مالک دی. Are you sick? ناجوړه یې کو. How did you like this video? دا ویډیو درته څنګه ولګېده. Subscribe the channel Pashto Anyone and press the bell icon for more updates. If you like the video, press like and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.